A wounded man stands before a line of 8 upright wands, gripping a 9th as support. A bandage circles his head, his body leans slightly forward, and his eyes watch the horizon with alert caution. The 9 of Wands is endurance, fire-tested, seasoned, and held steady through vigilance. The central figure is the core symbol. His posture reveals fatigue, but not defeat. He is battered, but unbroken. A survivor who has learned through experience. His stance, half defensive and half determined, represents the human spirit at the edge of completion. Tired, wary, but still standing. Fire here is no longer exuberant, it is disciplined, resilient, and wise. The wand he holds is the first supporting symbol. It acts as both weapon and staff, defense and stability intertwined. This wand represents accumulated willpower, the strength drawn from past trials. He leans on it, showing that endurance requires support systems, practices boundaries, and inner resolve that steady us when strength wanes. This is personal fire condensed into persistence. The second supporting symbol is the row of 8 wands behind him. They stand like a fence, achievements, responsibilities, or hard-won lessons forming a protective barrier. They signal what he has built and what he now must safeguard. These wands can symbolize security or limitation. A life constructed through effort may now feel restrictive, prompting caution. They mark the threshold between what has been earned and what remains at risk. The third symbol is the bandage wrapped around his head. It represents injury, memory, and survival. His wounds are real, but they have not destroyed him. Instead, they have become part of his wisdom. The white cloth suggests purification, pain acknowledged and integrated rather than hidden. It marks the emotional truth of the card. Endurance often carries scars. The fourth symbol is his sideways gaze. He watches for further challenge, anticipating difficulty without succumbing to fear. His vigilance is not paranoia, but learned readiness, the awareness that after success, resistance often returns. This is the psychology of perseverance, alertness sharpened by experience. The fifth symbol is the pale yellow sky. Calm and neutral, it suggests clarity and awareness rather than crisis. Unlike stormy or jubilant skies in other cards, this one offers steady illumination. It reflects the mindset of the 9, cautious optimism, the sense that while struggle continues, equilibrium is within reach. Together, these symbols reveal a portrait of resilience. The man stands for persistence, the wand in his hand for inner strength, the fence for earned stability, the bandage for lessons learned, the sky for calm awareness. Fire has become endurance, the quiet flame that refuses to be extinguished. In readings, the 9 of Wands appears when perseverance is required. It suggests boundaries maintained, courage under pressure, or the last push before completion. It can reflect defensiveness born from past wounds, yet also the promise that victory is near if resilience holds. Its caution is burnout. Do not let vigilance become isolation. The 9 of Wands teaches that true courage is persistence, strength shaped by experience and illuminated by awareness.